Hello guys, for today's video we are playing Supermarket Simulator and I quite know some things in here because I watched it on YouTube. I really like it, so why not I make a video of it. So I need to pick this up and put it on the shelf. Let me put it in the shelf. And my phone is lagging, guys. Yeah. We got to throw this in the trash. We got to set a price in here. We got to put it in market price, but 1 cent higher. We got to check it's open, guys, and we get to wait for our first customer. Guys, we just ran out of cereal. Wait, let me cut it. Let's buy some flour. So we had so much item to sell. We had 2 items to sell. Wait, I might rate this 4 star because I'm having a quite fun. Guys, we're on stock. Got to set our price. Yeah. Wait, I forgot to throw this in the trash. Yeah. We're open, guys. We got to wait. Yeah. Let me fast forward this. Guys, it's getting dark. It's 9 PM in this game. Guys, I think Ranma is our last customer. Yeah. Wait. No, I think yeah, it's Ranma, and we earn $156 today. Here. we get to be out of stock to buy some more products. Guys, I wanna sell pasta. I'm gonna sell pasta. Let me buy guys, it's getting late. I'm just gonna sleep and stay tuned for part 2. Bye bye.